Today we're unboxing the new LiftMaster 2420L chain drive garage door opener. Right on the box you'll see the model number. Now let's take a look at what included inside. First, you get a 3-button remote control attached to the safety guide and installation instructions. Next, we have the wiring that connects the wall button to the opener, the wall control button itself, and the emergency release cord. The opener also comes with 2 safety sensors. In our case, we've already assembled them onto the brackets, but they normally come separately. You'll also receive the rail and chain assembly. This unit comes with a 7-foot rail, but different rails lengths are available depending on your garage door height. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how to measure your garage so you can know whether you need a 7-foot, 8-foot, or 10-foot rail. This model also includes a backup battery. I didn't get a chance to film it because Jorge already installed it before I started recording. He's so fast, but I'll add a photo so you can see what it looks like. Now let's take a look at the opener itself. One of the first things you'll notice is the updated design. The new 2420L is much more compact than the previous chain drive models while still delivering a reliable performance. I will attach pictures how it looks like installed, and that's it, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next video where I show you properly how to measure your garage door, choose the correct opener size, and walk you through the installation process.